video, you will learn how to use focused and concentrated correctly. You cannot say, I am concentrated on my work. And you will also practice using focused and concentrated. Look at these examples and try to answer the questions I ask. Before my exams, I focused on studying a lot. And before my exams, I was very focused on studying. Both of these sentences contain the word focused. The word looks the same in both sentences, but the part of speech is different. Let's consider what's the same. In sentence 1, what two letters does the word end with? ED. In sentence 2, what two letters does the word end with? ED. So, in both sentences, we have the suffix or ending ed. Let's consider what's different. In sentence 1, what type of word is focused? It's a verb. Specifically, it's the past simple of the verb to focus. For regular verbs, we make the past simple by adding ed or d. In sentence 2, what type of word is focused? It's an adjective. Specifically, it's an ed adjective.
By the way, I have a video about how to use ed and ing adjectives too. I've linked to it here, so you can watch that video too.
Complete the gaps to make the rule. In these contexts, we can use focused as both a v and an a. What do you think? A verb and an adjective. Look at this example and try to answer the questions I ask. Before my exams, I concentrated on studying a lot. This sentence contains the word concentrated. What two letters does the word end with? ed. What type of word is concentrated? It's a verb. Specifically, it's the past simple of the verb to concentrate. Why is there no example sentence saying, before my exams, I was very concentrated on studying? The reason is because in this context, we do not use concentrated as an adjective. Therefore, the sentence, before my exams, I was very concentrated on studying, is wrong. Choose the correct words to complete the rule. In these contexts, we can use concentrated as, but we do not use concentrated as. What do you think? In these contexts, we can use concentrated as a verb, but we do not use concentrated as an adjective. If you found this video about the difference between focused and concentrated useful, hit that subscribe button so that you can get all my latest videos about other words that you might be confused about. Pause the video and do this next practice exercise. Then play the video again to see the answers. Here come the answers. Practice using focused and concentrated more by writing sentences in the comments. If you like this video, check out this playlist of other English words that you might be using incorrectly. Alternatively, watch this video, which I also think you'll love. Good luck with your English!